Hey everyone, I'm really excited about this. Today we're going to cover a big feature and a big unlock called auto deposit. So I'll jump right into it. You can see my Nook account. I have $60,000 earning, and we're going to set up an auto deposit or recurring deposit straight into my Nook account. Going to go into the side menu here, press auto deposit, and from here, just look at my options. So we're going to start with, let's say, $50 every week. And it's going to pull funds directly from my bank account starting tomorrow. It's powerful, and the reason why it's so powerful is because we're automatically able to take funds from your bank account, like Bank of America, earning very little interest, and then automatically place them into the highest earning money market and do that on a regular basis, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you are comfortable with, and start earning from there. So with this new feature, plus our very powerful earning protocol, it's just kind of a no-brainer in terms of earning more over time. So very stoked about this. Excited to get it in everyone's hands. Talk soon.